Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add LinkedIn link to your resume. And this is quite simple. First of all, go to your own LinkedIn page and make sure that you copy the link like here with Ctrl+C. Then we go to Google and then we search for Canva resume templates. So click on there from Canva. And right now, if you can see, you see a lot of resume templates right here. Let's see, I want to use this resume from Richard, and then we click on customize this template. And right now, yeah, you can change everything of this, but the most important part, we want to add the link to our LinkedIn just right here. So what we're gonna do now is first go to Google again and search for LinkedIn, click on images, and then make sure that you download or save an image on your desktop, save. And then we go to Canva and then we do uploads and then we'll upload files, desktop, and then do the LinkedIn picture right here. Then once it is loaded, click on that, make this one a little bit smaller, like maybe this. Then we change it to the place right there, or now, let's say, place it for a few seconds right here. Then we want to place the link to our LinkedIn here. This one. Let's check. And then do this. All right, now the link is already here. And if we want to change the symbol, we place the symbol just right here. And if you can see right now, we just added the link to our LinkedIn in our resume. And if people click on this, you can go to the resume, or sorry, you can go to the LinkedIn profile that is standing in the resume. All right, this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.